Problem 1. Given the specifications alpha P is equal to 3 dB, alpha S is equal to 16 dB, E of P is equal to E of P passband frequency is equal to 1 kilohertz, and Fs is equal to stop band frequency is equal to 2 kilohertz. Then determine the order of the filter. Order of the filter using Chebyshev approximations. Find h of s. That means transfer function. This is the question. Guys, okay, shall we start the problem? Tell me the given data. First, you have to note down the given data. Alpha P passband attenuation is 3 dB. Then stop band attenuation alpha S is 16 dB. Then passband frequency is 1 kilohertz and stop band frequency is 2 kilohertz. What is the type of filter? Is it low pass or high pass or band pass or what? Tell me the answer. Is it low pass filter or high pass filter or band pass filter? Nobody knows. What, Sandhya? You don't know. Sandhya is also absent. What happened to Sandhya? Sandhya, are you absent? Okay, number one. Number one, are you present? Absent. Number two, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi also absent. Okay. Number three.
Yes, sir.
Number three, are you present?
Hi, sir.
Then tell me, sir, what is the type of filter? Low pass filter or high pass filter or band pass filter?
Low pass filter.
Sorry?
Low pass filter.
Low pass filter. How did you say? How did you say that it is low pass? Don't know. You put a stone. Okay. Number six. Number six. Absent. Number seven. Absent. Number eight.
Yes, sir.
Number eight, tell me, what is this type of filter?
Low pass filter.
What is your name?
Vinusha, sir.
Vinusha. Vinusha, are you not listening?
Listening, sir.
Then it's very easy to tell. Yesterday also I told you same point. How to know the filter? Is it low pass or high pass? So you're not listening. Number nine. Number nine, are you present? Present. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10 absent. Number 12. 12 also absent. Okay. Number 13. 13 absent. 14. 14 absent. 15. 15 are present.
Yes, sir.
15. Tell me what is the type of filter?
Sir, yesterday, last class I didn't attend. Not well, so I didn't listen to the class. Sir.
What is your name?
Ramya, sir.
Sorry?
Ramya, sir.
Ramya. Ramya, you are missing the classes.
Last two classes I didn't listen, sir.
Okay. Listen this problem. Next problem you should answer.
Okay, sir.
Next number 17.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, ma. They have given this problem. To do the problem, you should understand what they asked. They asked to design the low pass or high pass. Otherwise, how can you design the problem? How can you design the filter? How can you do the problem? What type of what is that formulas you will use? So you should know it, no? Tell me, number 17.
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
Sir, high pass filter.
how did he say?
So stop and frequency is 60.
Stop band frequency is? Got- Number 20. 20. I think 20 is always absent. Number 23. 23, are you present? No. Number 24. Absent. Number 25. Absent. Number 27. Absent. 28. Number 29.
Yes, sir.
29. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Arshad. Answer. What is the question? Number 29.
Yes, sir.
What is the question?
Given the specification of
Sorry?
sigma p is equals to 3 dB, sigma s is equals to 16 dB, fp is equals to 1 kilohertz, and fs is equals to 2 kilohertz. Determine the order of the filter using.
I did not ask you to read the question. I asked, what is the filter we should design? We should design either low pass filter or high pass filter. It's a
Low
basic
pass
question.
filter.
Why? How did you say that it is low pass filter? Okay. Number 30. 30, are you there? 33. No. 34. 38. 39. Absent. 41. 43. 44.
Yes, sir.
44, tell me answer. Any idea?
No, sir.
No, sir. Simply no. Hmm. Number 45. Many people are absent. Number 46. Number 47. Number 50. Number 50. 50, are you present?
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Then tell me the answer. Answer please. Number 50. What is your name?
Aishwarya, sir.
Aishwarya, tell me. What is the type of filter? No, Aishwarya is not listening. Number 53. 53. Are you there? Number 54. 54, are you present? 56. Kaushik. 58. Number 58. Are you present? No, absent. Number 59.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, tell me, sir.
Low pass filter.
Why?
Stop band frequency is more.
Very good, very good. Number 52. Number 52, are you there? Number 60. 60 absent. Number 26. 26. Absent. 32. 40. Number 40. Number 61.
Sir, yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the answer?
Sir, my friend told us, sir, low pass filter due to bandwidth low.
Tell me, what is the reason?
Bandwidth low bandwidth.
Bandwidth.
Due to low bandwidth, sir, low bandwidth signal.
How did you say low bandwidth?
I know, sir, I don't know, but I took it from my friend, sir. Now he told us, sir, 59.
I am asking the same. What he told you, tell me the same. Enough.
Low pass filter due to low bandwidth.
It's not the low bandwidth. Okay. Number 59. Please repeat.
Top band frequency is higher than pass band.
Yes. See, I think everybody should learn. What is your name? Number 59?
Nandan, sir.
Sorry, Spandan.
Nandan.
Nandan, very good. Your answer is correct. It's a simple matter. The low pass filter pass band frequency definitely must be less than stop band frequency. It's very simple. First pass band frequency will come, then stop band cutoff frequency. That's it. Because of this, we will say only lower frequencies will allow. So it is a low pass filter. If these two are reversed, first stop band, then pass band, means it is high pass filter. It will allow high pass filter, high pass signals. So that is the way you can find it, whether it is given low pass filter or high pass, because nothing is given in the problem. Based on these two values, we should understand what filter we should design. Okay, that's why I asked this question, because in the exam also same kind of question will come. Then you should not confuse what to design. Okay, and now we will place the values. See here in the graph, we need the model graph is like it's a ripples we have in the pass band, and this is the kind of thing we have designed. This is, we said omega p, this is we said omega s, and this is we said 1 by root of 1 plus epsilon square, and this is equal to 1. Okay, this is the general magnitude response we plotted ripples present in the pass band. Okay, it is for type 1. This is fine. Okay, see, we have find out what is the n value order of the filter and what are the poles from this graph only. Okay, but in this graph, to find out this n value and this, what is that, poles sk values, we need to have this omega p and omega s values, correct? So to calculate these values, how to calculate these values, omega p and omega s, that information is not given here. So anybody can tell how to find omega p and omega s? Yes, Nandan? Nandan, any idea?
No, sir.
See, omega p is equal to 2 pi f. It's very simple. Everybody knows this. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. Correct? Huh? This is, I told, we use this symbol for digital and this omega symbol we use for the analog. Otherwise, meaning is same. So the formula is omega p is equal to 2 pi fp. So it is 2 pi into 1k. That means 1000. Because it should be in radian per second, we should make it in H only. We should write 1000 instead of 1k. Similar way, omega s in it, we need to find and make keep it separately. So it is 2 pi into fs is equal to 2000. So it is 2 pi 2000. I'll keep it same. Otherwise, you can calculate and make it a single value. That is up to you. So you can use the calculator and find these values. But so far, I'll keep it the same. Then whenever required, I can calculate it through the calculator with your help. So I'll keep it so far same. Now, what is the next step? We need to find the order, then poles. Then only you can make it transfer function h of s, right? So we'll go one by one. First, order of the filter. What is the order of the filter formula? N is greater than or equal to. What is the formula for Chebyshev type 1? See, you should remember the formulas, otherwise very difficult. It is cos h inverse of lambda by epsilon divided by cos h inverse of omega s by omega p. So omega s, omega p, we have the data, and lambda and epsilon we need to find before substituting. So we'll find what is lambda and what is epsilon. Lambda is equal to formula. What is the formula? 10 power 0.1 alpha s minus 1 under root. Okay. So this is equal to, you please calculate, substitute the values and tell me. 10 power 0.1 into alpha s value is 3 dB. So it is given 3 dB minus 1. Please calculate the value and tell me the answer. Similar way, epsilon. Epsilon formula is 10 power 0.1 alpha p minus 1. Substitute and tell me the answer. 0.1 into alpha p, sorry, this alpha s is 16 and this is 3 minus 1. Please all of you tell me the answers and substitute in n equation and tell me what is the n value. Please do it fast and tell me. Any answer? Completed anyone?
Sir,
Yes.
lambda value, I don't know it is correct or not.
Lambda
Sorry,
value.
sorry.
Tell me, I will tell you.
0.997. Sir.
0.99 lambda.
Not lambda's epsilon value.
Epsilon value is 0.99.
Yeah, sir. That one I need to calculate.
Tell me. Please do it fast. If you do slow, you can't complete even one problem in the
The
class.
lambda value is 6.229.
6.22.
So 1.2
6.22.
6.229.
6.229. Okay. Always better to take 4 digits. Okay. Sometimes n value is the border. That time it may go wrong. Okay. Then tell me what is n value? N value, please do it.
Okay, sorry.
Yes, not completed. Please do it fast. In value. Anyone? Priyanka, what is the answer in value? Sirisha,
Sir,
answer.
sir, you put me in waiting room, sir. Just now you allowed me, sir.
Why you are not responding when I call?
Sir, just you call 14, sir. Next second only you were put it in waiting room, sir.
Sirisha, when I asked you, people are ready now to talk to give the answer. If nobody responds, means what should I do? Hmm? Someone, either Sandhya, you or Priyanka, or now Nandan is responding. Anish is not at all responding. Arshad never respond except the class issues. Then remaining girls, no response. Boys, no. Whether they are in their class or not, also we no guarantee. So at least some response I should get, no. Otherwise, to whom I teaching? It's a calculation part. It may be if it is theory, okay, maybe flow will be there. I can go on for the next. But for the problem, I need the values, calculations.
Yes, sir.
Please give me the answer. Anyone? Ramya, what is the answer?
Sir,
Answer, n value.
sir, I don't know how to calculate inverse.
Inverse means what? 1 by something. Otherwise, in the calculator, inverse is there.
Yes, sir, but I'm getting error, sir.
Cos h of this lambda by epsilon value calculate and substitute there. Cos h value first to find out. Then make it inverse.
Okay, sir. Oh, I'll do that.
Note down that value. Similarly, you do the denominator. Then you make it ratio.
Okay, sir, I'll do it now.
If you don't complete, I won't leave you now. Till this problem complete. Your lunch hour will go. Please complete fast. At least one problem you should complete in one class. And by the way, don't forget tomorrow you have the retest lab. Okay. Arshad. Arshad, are you there? Arshad, are you there? No, he's absent. Sandhya? Sandhya, are you there? Sandhya also absent. Anish? Anish, are you there? Okay. Okay. Nobody is there. Anybody is there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Priyanka. Priyanka, tomorrow there is a,
Ramya, sir.
sorry, Ramya.
Yes.
Ramya, please take care.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow there is a retest lab from 3 to 5.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
if they are absent for tomorrow, first exam will be considered. That's all.
Okay, sir.
If they are attended, first exam will be cancelled automatically. Whether you get lesser higher marks, not an issue. If you attend the lab 2 test only will be considered. I mean, the test will be considered.
Sir, answer 1.004 is that correct one?
Very,
Okay.
very good. Correct only. 1.00.
004. I'm
I think it's not 00. It is 91.
check it once.
Mhm. Because guarantee question in the external examination, either but that's the issue. And it's very easy also. Simply, if you know the formulas, you can substitute it. Okay. Just do the calculation. N is equal to 1.91. Therefore, it should be greater than or equal to 1.9. Therefore, N is equal to 2. Okay. Now, we go for calculation of poles. What is the poles calculations? Poles SK is equal to, what is the formula? A into cos phi k plus B into JB sin phi k. Where what is phi k? Is pi by 2 plus 2k minus 1 by n into pi by 2. So where k values we should find for 0, 1, 2, so on till the order. That means here order is equal to 2. Therefore, we need to calculate only for k is equal to 1 and 2. Therefore, we need to find phi 1. Therefore, phi 1 is equal to pi by 2 plus when k is equal to 1, this is 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2. N is equal to 2. So 1 by 2 into pi by 2. That will give you pi by 4. Is equal to the 3 pi by 4, right? 3 pi by 4. So pi 1. Similarly, phi 2. Phi 2 is equal to pi by 2 plus when k is equal to 2, it will be 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4. It will give you 5 pi by 4. Okay, so 5k values we found. Two values. The next, what we need to find A and B. What is A value? A is equal to formula omega p into mu power 1 by n minus mu power minus 1 by n by 2. Okay. Now this is equal to omega p. Omega p value is, so okay, before this we calculate mu value. So mu value, we calculate first mu value, then we'll find here. We'll keep it here. Mu value is equal to, it is, what is the mu formula? 1 by epsilon plus root of 1 plus 1 by epsilon square. So what is epsilon value? Epsilon value you found? No. So okay, we find first epsilon value. Then we'll substitute this in this. Epsilon is equal to 10 power 0.1 alpha p minus 1. I think epsilon value we found it, right?
0.99, sir.
Yeah, we found already. So we keep it directly here. Then if you substitute in mu formula, that epsilon value, you will get 2.414. Guys, you need to practice these calculations in the calculator. Otherwise, in the external examination, it will be difficult. So please practice. So this mu value will substitute here. Omega p is, it is 2 pi into 10,000, 1000. So it is 2000 pi. 2000 pi into mu is 2.414 power 1 by 2, because n is equal to minus 2.414 power minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Okay, this will give you 910 pi, the answer for A. If you do it, you will get this. And similar way, B value formula is omega p into mu power 1 by n plus mu power minus 1 by n divided by 2. So after substituting this, omega p is again 2000 pi into here 2.4141 by 2 plus 2.414 minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. It will give you the answer 2197 pi. 2197 pi. Okay. Now, Hol's calculation is K J into B
Sir, you are in mute, sir.
sorry. After substitution, you will get these two pole values. Okay. Therefore, what is the h of s? H of s will be having some numerator and some denominator, right? So it is not like in the Butterworth filter. Completely, we don't say that only poles are present, no numerator. Still, there is a numerator because the magnitude response is oscillating like this. Okay, it's oscillating. So numerator also will be there in the pass band. Okay. See here, you may ask one doubt here. Sir, why you are starting the point at omega is equal to 0 here itself? Why can't we make it the response like this? This is also having ripples in the passband, right? So the question answer is this starting point is based on the order of the filter. If n is an even order is an even, then it will start from here. Okay, when n is equal to odd, then it will start from here. And number of these ripples are depending on the order of the filter. Since n is equal to 2, it will start from here. Okay, and 2 waves you can see. And if n is equal to 1, this kind of one wave only you can see here. Okay, that kind you can see in the magnitude response. Since n is equal to odd, n is equal to 2, this is the magnitude response for our problem. So I'll remove this. And see, in this, the magnitude is not equal to 1 at omega is equal to 0. So when omega is equal to 0, this magnitude is starting at 1 by root of 1 plus epsilon square. Okay. So I'll make a note point here. If n is even, so okay, odd, suppose I'll write first odd. When n is odd, you have to find the numerator term, like the denominator, whatever the denominator polynomial you will get, like denominator you will get s minus s1 into s minus s2, correct? In this example. So similar way, whatever the denominator polynomial you will get, in that you should substitute s is equal to 0. Then that value is treated as the numerator. Okay. When n is equal to even, then this numerator polynomial is taken as same thing. We have to substitute s is equal to 0 here in the denominator polynomial, and for this you have to take 1 by root of epsilon square, 1 plus epsilon square. Just do this, need to do this. That's all. Okay. Then you will get this kind. Here the magnitude will be. Okay. Whenever you do this s is equal to 0 in the denominator, the numerator denominator will be cancelled at s is equal to 0. Therefore, you will get this is the magnitude. So that is the starting point for omega is equal to 0. That's why this is the procedure. So for this example, the denominator d of s is equal to s minus s1 into s minus s2 is equal to, what you will get is just these two are the complex conjugate terms. So you will get after multiplication you will get s plus 463.4646 pi whole square plus 1554 pi whole square. Just nothing is very much simplified, just multiply it, that's it. Okay, this is the numerator polynomial, and sorry, denominator polynomial. Therefore, numerator polynomial is what we have to do, 1 by root of 1 plus epsilon square into this denominator polynomial at s is equal to 0. So when you do this, s is equal to 0 here, this is square plus this is square, you will get, correct? So denominator and numerator divided by 1 plus root of 1 plus epsilon square, you do it. Epsilon value, you know it already. You do it. Then you will get the answer as 1414.385 whole square. Okay. Therefore, the h of s transfer function is the numerator by denominator. That is equal to 14.38 square pi square divided by s plus 643.46 pi whole square plus 1554 pi whole square. Okay, this is your h of s transfer function.